Hey friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Chris Silverman, and today I'm going to walk you through how to replace the bottom of your cabinet when your sink has issues. So this isn't a one-size-fits-all kind of thing, because in this instance, the one that I had to replace, the pipes run from the bottom. And this is worst case scenario when you have to change out these things because it's difficult. Now you could cut the pipes, cut the water off, cut the pipes, and then cut the holes in your replacement board to fit onto the bottom of the cabinet, which I thought to do, but as you can see, this one right here is a T-shaped, and so it just seemed like it would be a little bit more trouble than what I was wanting to do. I got the easy part done, getting it out. I'm gonna have to get my little vacuum and clean out all the debris now. Vacuum all the loose particles. So I'm gonna do that real quick. So in this case, I decided that I would put the board, I would split it in two. Now I would do one half and do the second half. And behind the hot water pipe, I cut a little slit out and I replaced it so that it would look seamless. And then I did the same thing on the right side. And so I got it caulked, and then I painted it, and then what I did was I used, to get rid of the seam, all the seams, I used wood filler, and I patched it up, sanded it, and repainted it for a second coat. And I think the final product looks really, really good. So this is the way in which I fix these things. Sometimes, like I said, it's not one size fits all. So maybe this video, I'm hoping that this video helps you.